Well, I'm Mr. Henlin Thang Thang Let, Chairman Kuki Council. And here is the spokesperson, Mr. Ginja Bolzong, Dr. Reverend J.S. Gangte. He's the treasurer, Kuki Council. And Mr. Lin Mate, he's the vice chairman of Kuki Council. Well, today, I'd like to thank the press today. Yes, I agreed that the Kuki has made a great mistake in killing the 6 Naga civilians, which is made out of emotion. That I really criticize it. But however, the world, our country has labeled a Kuki as a very wicked tribe or a very bad tribe. But I would like to clarify that since the conflict with the Nagas of Manipur, I would like to question the government, the people of India, and the people of Manipur, and the Nagas as well. Because initially, this conflict sparked with one drunkard Tangkul boy who was beaten up and was, in fact, taken up to the village authority to apologize as per the custom and tradition. However, due to outside interference, that could not happen. And I'm very sorry about this. So all this started with all these things. And then later on, 2 Kuki men were killed. And then on the other hand, the Kuki who has held hostage of 21 persons has been released without any condition. Then again, there is an ambush and which killed 3 pastors as well as injured 4. That trigger and with emotion, as I've told it earlier, as I've said it earlier, they have killed out of emotion. I'm very sorry for that, and I apologize on behalf of my people. But let's see, till now, our village has been torched, and 14 people have been murdered by the Nagas and the Tangkuls till so far. Whereas we have killed out of emotion that 6 Naga civilian. Imagine who has caused more murder, who has torched more villages up till now and so far and even today. I'd like to point out that in Ukrul, a Kuki villages has grouped themselves in 3 places, that is in Chasat, Paikok, and IC. And the Tangkul Nagas refuse to sell the essential goods such as grains, dals, or medicines to the Kuki people. So, at this time when I see all these things, I've requested the governor, of course, no doubt, some rices and dals has been given to them. But that was not sufficient. Now they are still struggling with this. And I've requested the government of India and the government of Manipur to give sufficient rice, dal, mustard oil, whichever medicine to those 3 villages where grouping is there. As the Tangkul Nagas refuse to, or they are not allowed to purchase anything from their side. And then number 2, in Leilon area, there is no rice, there is no supply, especially in Kotlen areas. So that has also be taken care of. And I've spoke to the Honorable Governor yesterday, mentioned about the difficulties what the Kuki has meted out of this conflict. As such, I'd like to request and I'd like to question the whole of the world. Are we wicked? Are we bad? Are the Kuki are the bad person who has murdered 6? Or the Manipur Nagas who has already murdered 14 Kuki. Are they better than us? Why label us as a bad and wicked persons? That is why I'd like to clarify that it is not as what you think. I therefore would like to request that you should, after this my interview, after this press meet, you give it to the world and show that we are not as bad as they call us, or they call us cannibals. Not so. We did not do it. So, the main course of this press meet, I'll hand over to spokesperson of KZC, Mr. Ginza Walzong.